Starting around 02 November 2023, Chilliz actually certainly is exchanging at $0.069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in very most recent 60 minutes, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very critical. CHZ certainly has an all-out market cap of $522,389,816 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $70,923,307, or so they very thought incredibly. This basically most certainly makes Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, extreme in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chilliz basically be especially truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Chilliz in every practical sense, for the most part wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, in a sort of enormous manner? Will CHZ cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled certainly high in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way? These basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, or so they certainly thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost basically is supposed to cross a decently fundamentally normal value level of $0.091, the normal by and large lovely least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to actually most certainly be $0.088, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which especially is very huge. Besides, CHZ can sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.097, which certainly is genuinely critical. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, which especially is genuinely huge. While in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.080 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086 in a sort of large manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to actually in a real sense be around $0.083 in a very large manner. CHZ value gauge October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz fundamentally is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.082, most certainly sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking incredibly. The CHZ cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.089, with the actually quite normal cost around $0.085, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value gauge November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at a really least worth of $0.085, while the fundamentally essentially most extreme determined cost basically is around $0.093, which sort of basically is genuinely critical, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The very kind of typical cost for CHZ essentially really is in every practical sense anticipated to generally sort of reach $0.088 in November 2023, which in every practical sense sort of is genuinely huge. CHZ value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is determined to sort of by and large be at around an especially truly least worth of $0.088, or so they basically thought, or so they thought. The Chilliz value worth can by and large generally arrive at an entirely limit of $0.097, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Chilliz certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz's cost basically has shown a sort of good increment of 3.23% in the fundamentally by and large most recent 24 hours in a by and large truly significant manner, which truly is genuinely huge. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the CHZ in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.5% in a kind of huge manner, or so they thought. Chilliz in a real sense by and large has shown areas of strength for extremely truly potential of late And this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to essentially explicitly be around $0.080, which fundamentally is genuinely critical in an especially enormous manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ truly diminished by 50.606%, taking out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.071 from its really current worth, showing how these generally essentially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in every practical sense, by and large enormous way. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin sort of for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an essentially great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for by and large speedy speculation, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 49.89%. And the cost generally coursed from an especially normal cost of 13 cents to fundamentally extremely greatest especially normal cost of 14 cents in every practical sense, recent days in an unobtrusive way, which is very huge. Chilliz generally is somewhere near 33.92% with the in every practical sense, most extreme fundamentally normal cost of the coin certainly was around 11 cents, and the truly least exceptionally beautiful typical cost of sort of was around 11 cents in especially beyond 4 months, showing the way that the Chilliz value worth can actually most certainly arrive at a by and large all things considered limit of $0.097 with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in a sort of all things considered significant way in an essentially enormous way. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will all things considered be Chilliz worth in 2023? Pretty extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The CHZ cost fundamentally especially is estimated to by and large arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.097, with especially kind of least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, kind of lovely further appearance how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the CHZ value sort of for the most part is supposed to especially truly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.091, the normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to truly be $0.088, or so they truly thought. Does Chilliz in a real sense have a future, or so they generally basically thought? As per pretty in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business experts, Chilliz can stir things up around town the greatest cost of $3.01 till 2030, showing how these generally in a real sense are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in a for the most part enormous manner. Is Chilliz fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Chilliz's worth essentially truly is supposed to truly keep on growing, as lack will